Hello everyone. Silver just hit $47.2 before pulling back. But this isn't just gold's shadow move. Safe haven flows are part of the story, yet the real fuel is silver's critical role in AI and advanced tech. No AI revolution exists without silver, and the markets are starting to price that in. So let's check the technicals. Silver has been trading in a clear uptrend channel for months. Inside this channel, we can see a key line of higher lows guiding the move, but it was broken earlier in the summer and turned into resistance. Now, last week, we saw a decisive breakout. Silver not only pushed above that resistance line, but also broke above the April uptrend, unleashing a much stronger leg higher and taking prices above $47. As we shared in our client note yesterday, with RSI peaking above 70, we were expecting a short term slowdown. And we did get that. Now prices are easing back to around $46. Now, the key point is that the bullish momentum remains intact. What changes is our focus. We now look at the previous upper boundary of the channel, around $45, as the first major support. On the downside, a break below $45 opened the way to $43. On the upside, resistance is back at $47, then followed by the psychological level of $48. Volume on the breakout confirms that the move was supported by strong inflows, while RSI cooling off signals that the market is resetting rather than reversing. In short, silver remains bullish, but with $45 now, the line in the sand for bulls to defend.